Hey folks, it's me again, and unfortunately, maybe fortunately, you're not going to see my face this time. I'm actually waiting on some friends, and I had a few moments to fiddle around a bit. So I wanted to do two things. First, to address the nasal video that I posted a few days ago that I think a lot of people had problems with. So I'm going to write what the sounds correspond to in the nasals and give a couple of examples, and then after that we're going to go over some coronavirus stuff. So here we go. Okay, so the first sound was eh, eh. Okay, and the way we write eh is E N. That's how we would say it in Kurivini. E N. IN in English, and that makes the sound eh. Notice I'm putting this tilde above the in here. This tilde exists in Kurivini orthography, and we use it in the same way that it's used in Spanish to make the ny sound, but here I'm only using it in phonetics because we don't really have an equivalent for that sound in English orthography. So anyways, so I-N, and the elongated version of was the second example, which was N. And we need the grave there, right? Because remember, the E by itself is and when we place the grave softens the sound of vowels, so when we place the grave over the it becomes and we add the two N's and it's a full N sound, so N. You're probably going to wonder, okay, so why isn't N, the elongated version of spelled I-N-N? Well, that's because this sound represents in Kurivini. In, because the letter I by itself, remember, is E. And then when we add two consonants behind, usually we use this for letters N, M, and T. It just means that the full sound comes after the vowel, in. And so there you go. So some examples of eh. Well, we have good food like boudin, B-O-U-D-I-N, boudin, and that's that eh, boudin. What's another one? Catin, catin, baby doll, catin. We also use catin to mean girlfriend, baby, sweetheart, things like that. Term of endearment for females. And you may hear catin in the elongated form as well. Catin, catin, catin. Okay? All right, so that's the and an. Now let's look at coronavirus stuff. So remember, I posted yesterday or a couple days ago the way that we say virus would be, there are two forms. Both are acceptable. Virus, V-I-R-I-S, virus, virus, or virus. Virus, 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 virus. Okay? Both of them are acceptable, and you hear both. Okay? So virus, virus. And corona, corona. 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 And then we add virus behind it. Sorry, it's a bit windy. Coronavirus or coronavirus. Coronavirus, coronavirus. Now, what are some symptoms? Well, apparently there are things like, so the way that we say symptom is symptôme. Symptôme. Okay? Symptom. Symptom. Okay, so apparently fever is one. And the way that we say fever is la fièvre. It's one word. La fièvre. So a fever is en la fièvre. En la fièvre. A fever. Okay? What's another one? Maybe coughing. Tousser. 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 To cough. That's a verb. To cough. Tousser. Okay? What's another one? Maybe we could say aches. Douleur. 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 D-O-U-L-O-E-R. Douleur. Douleur. That sound we don't really have in English, sorry. That's the best I can do phonetically. Douleur. So, la fièvre, tousser, douleur. Okay? And those are symptômes pour coronavirus. Symptômes pour coronavirus or coronavirus. Okay? Alright, so hope that helped you guys out, gives you something to look at. I know you're probably bored if you can't work or go to school, so may as well work on your courrier. So, je souhaite tous vos autres c'est bien aujourd'hui. Je souhaite tout le monde c'est pas malade. Si vous êtes malade, vous avez besoin de courir voir docteur là. Vous avez besoin de aller vite. Espère pas. Okay? Don't wait. Go to the doctor if you're feeling these symptoms. It's important. So go ahead and do that. And also study your courrier. Hope you're well. Take care. Talk to you soon.